Heya, I'm Leila, a game designer. In today's video, I'm going to help you choose which game engine you should start with, Unity or Unreal Engine. Let's jump right in. Choosing between Unity and Unreal Engine can be confusing when you're just starting out, so let's break it down into 3 simple points. First, what type of games do you want to make? If you want to make 2D games, like platformers, top-down RPGs, or anything that looks like it came off a Game Boy, go with Unity. It's lightweight, easy to use, and doesn't need a high-end computer just to open a project. But if you want to make 3D games, especially something big, cinematic, or realistic, Unreal Engine is your best friend. It has insane graphics right out the box. Unreal makes your game look like a Netflix series even if it plays on a toaster. Second, are you a coder or just pretending? Unity uses C#, which is beginner-friendly. There are tons of tutorials and you can copy-paste your way through a prototype without anyone judging you. Unreal uses C++, which is complex. Think of it like building IKEA furniture with instructions written in ancient Greek. But the good news is, Unreal has blueprints, a visual scripting system where you can drag and drop logic without writing a single line of code. If you're scared of semicolons, use blueprints. If you want to learn real code, start with Unity. If you're feeling brave or reckless, go C++ in Unreal. Third, what are your long-term goals? Unity is used everywhere. Mobile games, indie games, even educational apps. If you want to build fast, make something small, or just get the hang of game development, Unity is the way to go. But if you're aiming for a job at a big studio, want to build cinematic experiences, or you're dreaming of making the next Edler Ring, Unreal is what studios are using. It's even used in movies and visual production, like The Mandalorian. So, in conclusion, start with Unity if you're new, making 2D games or want fast results. Go with Unreal if you're chasing big dreams or want your game to break graphic cards. Whichever engine you choose, just start. Don't spend 6 months overthinking it. That's not game dev, that's self-sabotage. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you pick the right engine and gave you that little push to start building your dream game. If you found this helpful, give it a like, maybe subscribe, or leave a hi in the comments so I know you made it to the end. Happy developing, and remember, your first game doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to exist. See you in the next one.